Jude Zonkwele from Toronto Public Health, right? This is our Who Are You display, right? Who Are You? It's a program that we're running in Toronto Public Health. Basically, what it does is trying to raise self-esteem among youth in the community, right? It's trying to let them know that healthy body comes in different shapes, form, and sizes, right? Healthy body or healthy weight is not about a number on the scale. It's about having a positive self-esteem and being positive about yourself, right? And then so what we do is when kids come here, they spin our wheel, right? And if it goes to any color, say like red, we'll get here and ask them a question on red. For example, the question we have here is list 3 reasons not to go on a fat diet, and we have the answers behind. For example, fat diets don't work, fat diets don't necessarily improve your health, fat diets make you afraid of food, fat diets do not encourage lifelong changes or that. So we get the students again, spin the wheel, and it's still on red. Okay, let me try a different color. Alright, that would be yellow. So we'll get a question again on yellow, which is anabolic steroids are synthetic form of testosterone used by some youth to build muscle mass. Almost all users experience side effects. Name 3 possible side effects. So we're trying to let them know about side effects of using steroids, and we have all the answers behind. So thank you very much, and whenever you have anything, don't hesitate to call Toronto Public Health. We are here to serve the community.
Thanks for talking to us, Jude. You're doing great work.
So,
the Loretto College Wellness Day and the Who Are You booth for Toronto Public Health. And the website, Jude, do you have a website people can go for information?
www.torontopublichealth.ca.